Tell by your smile we're impressed. Couldn't leave me alone. Text I received, and I'm up all night howling.
So I have this new package from Amazon. This is a new Huion tablet, a bigger graphic display tablet that I ordered, and I want to find out how it turns out. Oh. Be careful with using the knife though. The package is very concealed. Here's my package. It's a graphic display tablet, Kamvas graphics pen display tablet from Huion. Okay, let's open it. There you go. The Kamvas GT156 HD version 2 graphic display, pen display. It's quite big, about 15 inches tablet. There you go, card. Thank you for purchasing. Okay. There you go. The tablet seems okay. Yep. Let's check if everything's in the tablet is here. There you go. The tablet, of course. Huh? Comes with the tablet comes with a tablet stand. There you go. You can see. The pen of the tablet. The cables needed for the tablet. Power cord. And extra, no, sorry, this one's, I think this one's the extra pen, or I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is an extra pen. It says here, it's an extra, it's a gift. I mean, yeah, this is an extra pen. This is the pen of the tablet. Nibs, extra nibs. We have it. Power cable and a plug. Yeah, we have a lot of extension cords here. Maybe for different plugs or sockets. And I don't know what you call this, but you put this in your hand. Yeah, gloves. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but yeah, you put this in your hand. It helps you when you're gripping the pen. Yeah. Alright, you have it, and the manual. Let's see the manual. Oh, and they include you a small cloth that I think that you might be able to use when you're wiping or cleaning your tablet. Pretty neat. Anyway, they include the usual, usual paper, yeah, and it tells you where to download the driver for the tablet in their website, and a warranty card. There you have it, and yeah, a small manual that will help you start in learning about the tablet. Yep, and there you have it. Seems that the package arrived safely, and I got everything. What? I got everything that I ordered from Amazon. So, in the next part, I'll be installing the driver and setting this up in my table. And thank you for viewing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tablet reviews, arts, and everything.